In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reactivate an inactive account in QuickBooks Online. This is a straightforward process, but having a clear guide can make it even easier, especially if you're handling your business's finances. Let's walk through the steps together to ensure your QuickBooks account is as organized and up to date as possible. First, let's start with accessing QuickBooks. The best web browser to use for this, based on compatibility and performance, is Google Chrome. So open up Chrome or any other browser you prefer and head over to quickbooks.intuit.com. Once you're on the QuickBooks page, go ahead and sign in using your login credentials. Enter your username and password to access your QuickBooks Online account. If you're having trouble remembering your password, make sure to use the Forgot Password feature to reset it securely. Once you've navigated past the login screen, your main task is to find the chart of accounts, a critical feature for managing all your financial accounts effectively. You'll see a sidebar on the left of your screen. Look for the accounting option in that sidebar. Give it a click. You'll find that this takes you directly to the chart of accounts, which is essentially the backbone of your bookkeeping, listing all the accounts you use to track your business finances. Now let's make sure we can see all accounts, both active and inactive. In the chart of accounts window, look to the top right corner. You should see a gear icon. Click on it and a menu will appear. In this menu, there's an option labeled Include Inactive. You'll want to check this box. Checking this box allows inactive accounts to be displayed in your list, making it easier for you to locate any account you need to work with. With all accounts visible, it's time to find the specific inactive account you wish to reactivate. You can scroll through your list manually or use the search function if you prefer a quicker approach. This helps especially if you have a long list of accounts to scroll through. After locating the inactive account you need to work on, you'll notice a drop-down arrow next to it. Click this drop-down arrow to reveal a menu of options. From this menu, you'll see an option that says Make Active. Click on Make Active to reactivate the account. This simple action effectively restores your account to active status, allowing you to resume tracking any transactions or activity associated with it. Now, to confirm everything is done correctly, the account you just reactivated should now appear as active in your chart of accounts. It's always good practice to double check that your changes have been updated and everything looks as expected. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully reactivated an account in QuickBooks Online, ensuring your financial records are precisely the way you need them to be. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more handy QuickBooks tips.